Assalamualaikum to everyone, mostly to my examiner, supervisor, my lecturers and my fellow friends. I am Mazni. Today I want to share everyone about effect of supplementing dry acetic species on carotenoid pigmentation and growth performance of GUPPY Poecilia reticulata. These are my table of content which we undergo to research background, problem statement, significance of studies, research objective, methodology, progression to date, and last but not least, path forward. In my research background, carotenoids are tetraterpene pigments which exhibit yellow, orange, red and purple colors. In acetic species or shrimp, found domain carotenoid is astaxanthin, where it gives red pinkish pigment on body surface. Moreover, these carotenoid pigments are also a micronutrient that is essential to building a muscle mass. Next, I figure the problems among fish ornamentals such as guppy had less attractive and pale body colors. Moreover, in my observation, I saw another problems where Malaysia have not yet any local product of ornamental fish feed. For the significance of study, this will find out or further information on nutrition composition and percentage of carotenoid in the acetic species, which has a potential to make guppy more attractive and more colors. These are my research objectives of this research. First of all, to determine percentage of carotenoid pigmentation on dry acetic species. Next, to compare effect of dry acetic species on body colors changes of guppy Poecilia reticulata. And last but not least, to compare effect of dry acetic species on growth performance of guppy Poecilia reticulata. This methodology of this research, first of all, I did apply ethical approval from animal and plant research ethics committee. After that, I collect my fish and arrange them into the 5 groups based on my 5 different diet treatments in therapeutic. Then I collect my main ingredient, which is acetic species, and dry them and process them into the powder form. The processed acetic species that I have made, I did undergo to carotenoid analysis and plasma analysis to measure its level carotenoid and nutritional composition. Then, after I got the data from my analysis, I formulate and prepared of my fish feed into 5 different diets treatments, and the 5 different diet treatments we undergo to plasma analysis to measure again its nutrition composition. And finally, now I have been doing right now is feeding trials where I feed my fish until 13 days feeding. Right now, let me to update my progress and research. Start off a plasma analysis of my processed acetic species that I had done. Then I made a diet regimen where has 5 all of them. As I told you just now, each of it has slightly a different level of acetic species. And do not forget, the diet treatments are still in the process analysis. While doing the process analysis, I also giving the fish the treatment as trial for 30 days in the cherry picking. Before started the treatment, I had measured initial body weight of fish and weight of consumed diet that fish have feed. Last but not least, to maintain water quality in fish tank, I also did water management where 70% for water change. In my result, based on plasma analysis of acetic species, the highest nutrition composition are crude protein, which at 60.17%. Meanwhile, the lowest nutrition composition are lipid, which at 2.50%. Next, in the second lowest nutrition composition are crude fiber, which at 3.29%. However, moisture and hash are slightly significant nutrition composition, which at 12.11% for moisture and 11.91% for ash. Next, based on the plasma analysis of diet treatments of crude protein, which are nutrition composition and only that I had done, the highest crude protein in our diet treatment T75, which at 32.32% because of have 75% of acetic species in the diets. Meanwhile, the lowest crude protein are T0, or we call it as a control, which at 26 or 40% because of have not contain of acetic species in the diets. The second lowest crude protein amount of the diet treatments are T100, which at 26.75%. Lastly, the diet treatments T25 are the second highest of crude protein, which at 31.78%, following T50, which at 29.69%. Here now, I want to update my fish condition. First of all, after giving the diet treatments almost 1 week, my fish had a slightly difference. First, based on my observation, my 25% of my fish getting into big size, which in length range 1 cm to 2 cm. Next, 5% of my fish started to have colors on their bodies, which in length range 0.5 cm to 1 cm. Lastly, their survival rate are 100%, which means there's no my fish yet died within in 1 week for now. In this overall, the condition of fish will remain good. Finally, for path forward, where my future plan of this research, I will do the growth performance analysis, water quality analysis, and observe level carotenoid on body fish. All this will be done due to 30 days, which on 22nd of May 2021. Next, I will continue writing my thesis before due to 10th of June 2021. And last but not least, the poster presentation will be designed and created before due to 16th to 17th of June 2021. That's all from me. I end my presentation with Surah Al-As. Pray all of you, may Allah is everything for us. Thank you for me. See you next time. Bye.